Hi everyone, this is your quick introduction to the textbook assignment for Data Science 2103. First, I want to set expectations. The textbook will often be the most grueling part of your week. And yes, unfortunately, this is intentional. Now, this is a foundational course, and the ebook is designed to build long-term understanding through repetition, memorization, and practice questions. That's how you build a durable knowledge base that carries into later modules and builds your future analytical courses. Now, the purpose of the textbook assignment, you're building essential concepts and vocabulary. You're strengthening your retention through structured reading, preparing yourself for quizzes, module exams, and higher level work later on in our program. Now, how to approach it so you don't actually crush your soul. Do not try to do this all in one setting. Chunk your reading, breaking it into 20 or 30-minute blocks across the module. That's how you actually retain the information. So I have a recommended workflow. Start by skimming the headlines and key terms to build a mental map. Then read in chunks. Pause and answer comprehensive questions. And answer your comprehensive questions while the material is still fresh. Then later, come back for a second pass and reinforce your spots that you have been struggling with. Now, a few key reminders. The assignment is about mastery, not speed. Use your notes, use your textbook, use the resource I provide, use outside resources, it's perfectly fine. Strong answers show you explain the concept clearly, not just repeat vocabulary. And if you need help, always reach out. I'll bring specific questions. Tell me the term, the concept, or the example that's confusing, and I can unpack it pretty fast for you. Also, make sure you watch the textbook assignment videos from the lecture series. And let's go ahead and jump into the book or into the Blackboard site. I'm going to show you how this is laid out, how to access everything, and what you're going to be seeing. So let's go into our Blackboard website. You can see here I am inside of Module 1. Let me go to Student Preview. Alright, for our textbooks, you're going to see usually about 3 pieces here. Chapters 1s and 2s, or 3s and 4s, whatever it is. Then a Smart Book, which is combined chapter 1 and 2. So the chapter pieces are just static reading. That's your ebook. You open it up and you read through it. They are worth 0 points. Once you go to it, it's going to launch your McGraw-Hill piece and take you over to McGraw-Hill. Your module Smart Book, on the other hand, is drilled down. It's referential and reintroduces learning. So you're going to be answering questions, and you're going to be answering those questions repetition. Now, I have these set to be only the key concepts that I really want you to focus and drill down on from the chapter or the module material. So instead of having to do the Smart Book for every single module, you read on your own time, and then you reinforce with this stricter module Smart Book on a few key modules. Now, there's typically about 50 topics inside the Smart Book. This is your most grueling piece. It's going to take the most time. It's going to be repetitious. It's going to get on your nerves. But you still have to do it because that's how this class is built as a freshman introductory course. All right, guys, that is your ebook. You'll jump in, click on the first one, read, click on the second one, read. If there's a third chapter in the module, read that too. And then your Smart Book is actually hands-on and graded. So static reading, active reading. And one's worth, or 2 are not worth points, 1 is worth points. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, it's a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.